Isang magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito po si Benji Chidoro at welcome po sa August 9 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 140 days na lang, Pasko na. Ang ating special feature po natin ay tungkol po sa NIKL courtesy of BDO Securities. Pero una po ang ating headlines at ito po ay courtesy din po ng BDO Securities. SMC net profit rises 18% to 23.3 billion in the first half. MPI shareholders approve tender offer process. So ito po yung binalita natin yesterday. ASEAN to develop floating solar project in Laguna Lake. Bago po ang ating index, tingnan po natin ang special feature po natin. Ito po ay tungkol sa NIKL Asia. Meron po siyang maintain buy with a lower target price. And softer nickel prices drag first half earnings. Action valuation, target price trimmed to 740, but there is a keep buy rating. The previous target price was 830. China demand recovery and EV megatrend are long-term tailwinds. Construction of pipeline renewable projects underway. And so, with a target price of 740 and a buy rating, and the closing price yesterday of 575, there's an implied upside of about 29%. So, punta po tayo sa index, but before that, meron pong comments dito which I'd like to read. Una po ay tungkol po kay Raquel Robrigado. Sharing your video, sir. May friend akong interested sa stock market. God bless. Salamat po, Raquel, sa inyong suporta at salamat po sa pag-advertise po ng aking website, or YouTube channel rather. Wala akong website. Okay, Uncle C. Hi Kuya, pa-review po ng FMIN at kung okay divs niya. Thank you po. Pa-review ng FIN. This is Makati Finance. Okay, tingnan po natin yan mamaya. Anyway, the PSE index still sideways although it gained today by 57.48 points. So, nasa bandang gitna lang po, nasa 6530.45. Ang most active stock is BDO, followed by Ali, SM, BPI, and Metro Pacific. Metro Pacific po, naging 5 piso na po, dahil yung tender offer po niya, ginawang 420 po. And that was yesterday's news. Ngayon po, ang all-share index naman, ay umakyat din ng 0.55%. All our sectoral indices are up except mining, which declined by 0.60%. So, FMIN, tingnan po natin siya. Actually, I don't plan to review this, kasi tinitingnan ko po kanina, FMIN. Yan, halos wala po siyang trades Pero marami po siyang declaration ng dividend. Meron po siyang stock dividend at meron din po siyang cash dividend. Although maliit lang po. And during the year, nagde-declare po yan ng stock and cash dividend. And the earnings-wise, kumikita naman po, although it's not fantastic. So 2023 first quarter earnings is the total, net income is 2.54. It's down 51.24%. And yung 2022 earnings up 83.97%. But when I was taking a look at the profile, ito pala ay isang lending company. The company has 3 main operating units that represent each main business line. These are the RX Cash Line Group. Actually, RX is actually PX, or prescription, which involves loans specially tailored to medical professionals. MFC Factors Group, which is responsible or running receivables, and small and medium enterprises, and Motorcycle Finances Group or Financing Group, which is tasked with sales, promotion, credit, application, investigation, evaluation, recommendation, collection for the company, financing business of the company. So it's a lending company. FMIN is also expanded its product line to include new financial products such as corporate salary loans, personal loans, microbusiness loans, pension, car loans, leisure bike financing. These loans are only offered domestically. So, nasa PSE index po siya, kaya po siya may mga disclosure na ganito. And it has been in the index for quite some time. Let's do a 1-week chart. Yan, since December 2007. So matagal-tagal na rin po itong financing company na ito. But, well, I wouldn't like to comment kung maganda ito o hindi, no? Kasi I still lack that information. Although tinignan ko ang website, maayos naman. Makati Finance Corporation for your financing needs. And I suppose this has been there for quite some time. Ang opisina po nito ay sa Chino Roses Extension. So, malapit po ito sa, I suppose malapit na po ito sa EDSA, no? Don Chino Roses Avenue Extension, Makati City. Pero kung titingnan po natin ang kanyang chart, you can't see much there because there's not much volume, no? In fact, the volume today, or nagkaroon ba ng transaction, there are just 4 trades. Nag-open and nag-close, hindi siya nag-move. So, halos walang trade. Halos po siyang walang trade. Wala po siyang trades today. Well, actually, there are 4 trades, but it didn't impact on the price. So far, well, sideways lang po on the bearish side, ano? And there's not much that I can see on that. But fundamentally, I couldn't really say that this is a good company. Although it has been there for quite some time, probably a good company. My impression is it's been there. But as to whether it's fundamentally sound, no comment po ako. Okay? Wala po akong comment. I would need more information than what I see here and the disclosures in the PSE. Although the disclosure of the PSE would be a mitigating factor, no? Or a good reason to recommend. But right now, I have no comment on the company. Okay, so let's review SMC, NIKL. Yan po yung lumabas sa news natin kanina. Actually, SMC is here. So SMC is kumita po siya. Tignan natin si SMC. Hindi pa lumalabas. Pero meron po siyang news item here on SMC, no? Ito, SMC reports 23.3 net income for the first half. So, kumita po si SMC, although SMC kasi marami kasing loans yan eh. So, it had an 18% growth in net income and it's 23.3 billion for the first half of the year, driven by sustained improvements in beer spirits infrastructure packaging units, along with the contribution from its recent acquisition, Eagle Cement, the company said in an email statement. So kumita po siya ng 23.3 billion net income for the first half. And if you'll take a look at the chart, meron po malaking blip dito nung Friday. I don't know what's causing this, no? Kasi this is similar to Meralco na nag-blip din po siya. Although significant po sa SMC. Probably it has a US subsidiary, no? That caused it to move down dahil alam niyo po na-downgrade po ang US eh. Now, yan po ang hinala ko. Si Meralco, ganun din ang nangyari kay Mer eh. Kung titignan natin si Mer, yan, malaki din yung blip niya. So from an opening of 350, it closed at 325 or 7.14% down, ano? So balik tayo kay SMC. Si SMC ay right now nagkaroon siya ng recovery. I guess ito po ay I couldn't see any negative news kasi I was searching the news kanina. Wala akong makitang negative news. In fact, dapat nga positive ito, no? Yung net income niya plus appellate tax court affirms San Miguel Brewery's 122 million refund. So that should be good news, di ba? Pero ito nangyari, nagkaroon siya ng blip, no? Dito. And the only reason that I can think of is because of the US downgrade. No? It affected most of the stocks in the Philippine stock market, especially the index stocks. Okay, so right now it's recovering, although the general direction is still sideways. Yan po si SMC. And I think meron po comment ang isang subscriber natin, si Uchikatana. Ano nangyari sa SMC? Okay. So, yan po ang aking sagot. Sir, good day po. Bakit po biglang bumaba si Meralco? May nagbenta ba ng malaking stockholder? Ganun din ang aking sagot, ano? Na baka naapektuhan siya nung US downgrade. Tapos sabi pa ni Winbar, okay lang po mag-dip si Mer para maka-accumulate uli ng share timing pagbagsak niya kahit nag-declare ng dips. Yan po. Kasi 9,852 po ang dividend declaration ni Mer. Okay, after SMC, we have NIKL. Si NIKL ay, naku, nagdidip po si NIKL. Although kumita po yan, ano? Kasi si NIKL posted a lower second quarter income of 600 million. This is 76% lower than last quarter. So nagdidip po siya ngayon, and this is about the support area already. Yan po. 570 po ang pinaka-support more or less, and the resistance is here. 615 kasi dependent po siya sa nickel prices abroad. Yan po. So if we'll take a look also at meron po kaya tayo nito. Tingnan po natin yung nickel prices just in case lang. Meron akong dito. Ayan, nagdidip siya. It has been moving down. And if we will do the candles, yan. So pababa po siya. Kita mo kaagad na pababa, yung black line nasa taas. So, nickel, yan po ang kwento niya. And it's more or less dipping. Unlike here, no? Nung early fourth quarter, nung 2022, paakyat po siya hanggang first quarter. Tapos, dahan-dahan pong bumaba. Okay, next we have BDO. Tingnan nga natin si BDO. Ayan, nagdidip po si BDO, maganda pong bumili. May net foreign buying po siya. But it continues to move up. So in general, the direction is upwards. More or less ganyan po ang nakikita kong movement using our parallel channel. So following the parallel channel, our support would be at 137.80 to 137.90, and the resistance is here at 155. Yan po. And the general direction is upwards. By the way, nag-level up na po si BDO sa kanyang dividends. So it started giving a 75 centavo per share na dividend, which is more than double from the previous 30 centavos per share. Kasi dati 30 lang siya. Tapos dito, starting March, 75 na. Next, we have BPI. Si BPI ay, moving sideways lang po. Let's put this up. Yan. Pero, the general direction is still upwards. So, kung titingnan po natin ang pinaka-support niya, nandito po sa area to. Yan. So, nasa 110 to 111 po pinaka-support. I would say the support is close to EMA 50 na 110.96. So, it's between 110 and 111. And the resistance, kung titingnan po natin, dito po sa 118 eh. But the resistance can be determined by a short-term parallel channel. Tingin ko dyan eh. Yan. Okay, so more or less, the movement is this way. And this is BPI pala. So, ano ba sinasabi ko kanina? BDO. So, nasa 111 po, o 110 to 111, ang kanyang support, and the resistance is 121. Now, fundamentally, si BPI has a buy rating with a target price of 138 or about a 22% upside. By the way, before we end, nakalimutan kong i-share to, no? Si Solar nga pala post a 92% growth in the second quarter. And this will be the next index stock, no? Si Solar. And if silipin lang natin si Bloom, ito yung yan eh, paakyat po siya eh. So general direction is upwards. And in fact, since 2022, it has been moving up. And more so now, na candidate po siya for inclusion in the index with the exit of Metro Pacific. So yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-siyam ng Agosto, ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala, investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, bye for now.